Gentlemen, honestly, let me ask you a truly personal question. What if the key to unlocking peak male performance and robust vitality, even if you are well past 50, wasn't some expensive pill, a complex procedure, or a grueling, confusing workout routine? What if I told you there is one potent secret, a tiny single spot on your body, no bigger than a coin, that when addressed and gently massaged for as little as a single minute a day, holds the potential to completely restore crucial blood flow, dramatically improve fundamental sensation, and literally reignite the deep strength and natural performance that may have subtly or not so subtly dimmed over the past years and even decades? It sounds unbelievable, maybe even a little awkward to discuss openly, and perhaps a touch too easy to be true. Yet, you cannot afford to skip this vital, life-changing knowledge. Please, stay with me right now, because in the following minutes, I'm going to pull back the curtain and reveal exactly where this potent area is located. Scientifically explain why this simple, natural movement works so effectively, and detail how this quick, almost effortless daily practice could become the most powerful, profound, and all-natural boost you have been desperately needing to reclaim your health, confidence, and connection. Before we dive directly into the hands-on technique, which is truly capable of changing how you view your body's potential, please do one essential thing. Hit that like button right now to support our community of health-conscious men. Drop a quick comment and tell us where you're watching from. I love connecting with men around the world who prioritize their well-being. And of course, subscribing to the channel is the single best way to ensure you never miss another vital video focused on restoring men's health, maximizing natural vitality, and boosting essential confidence in all areas of life. The core issue we must first confront is a critical misconception. Many men genuinely believe that once they pass the milestones of 50 or 60, performance challenges or dips in their natural energy and drive are simply an unavoidable, unfixable part of the irreversible aging process. They begin to accept that natural blood flow inevitably slows down, essential hormone levels, like testosterone, decrease, and overall intimacy simply becomes a more difficult, less satisfying chore. This belief often leads them to either ignore the problem completely or immediately reach for temporary fixes like medication. However, that line of thinking, the passive belief that age is the primary culprit, is the very misconception I want you to banish right now. Age, in truth, is not the main enemy. The far more profound and deep-rooted problem we constantly encounter in my years of practice is chronic pelvic tension and subsequent poor circulation. The slow, insidious decline in natural male vitality isn't an abrupt, overnight phenomenon. It's a compounding issue stemming from years of environmental stressors, prolonged daily sitting, unrelieved mental stress, and a general lack of key movement and physical activity. Over time, these daily factors cause the essential muscles of your pelvic floor, the very muscular network critical for controlling healthy function, maintaining quality, and governing essential sensation, to become simultaneously tight, rigid, and surprisingly functionally weak. Think of this crucial area like an old, overstressed rubber band. It's stretched taut, filled with unnecessary internal tension, yet it has completely lost its spring, its vital snap, and its power to rebound. When this happens deep inside the body, critical blood vessels can stiffen, highly sensitive nerves become compressed and dulled, and the functions that once happened completely naturally and spontaneously now either demand immense effort or frustratingly fail to materialize at all. The genuinely encouraging news, the powerful truth I want you to embrace, is that the human body is an inherently self-healing organism, capable of remarkable renewal. By systematically releasing this chronic tension and strategically stimulating robust circulation in one correct and anciently recognized spot, you can literally help your body naturally rewire its functional performance system. This precise, localized spot has been revered and utilized for centuries across countless traditions of natural medicine. And now, modern science is providing the robust, concrete explanation as to exactly why it is so profoundly effective. I'm Dr. Mary Mumm. I've spent over 12 years in practice, and my life's mission is dedicated to helping men in this exact situation regain genuine, natural health, strong vitality, and unshakable confidence without the constant reliance on pharmaceuticals or invasive medical procedures. I have personally witnessed the immense success that small, consistent, natural practices can deliver, effortlessly bringing back an energy, a strength, and a quality of intimacy that men thought they had permanently lost. Today, I'm honored to share one of the single most underused yet demonstrably powerful techniques available. It's broadly known as perineal massage, or what powerful ancient traditions have aptly dubbed the $1,000,000 point. However, before I walk you through the precise, practical steps for performing this minute-a-day technique, we must discuss frankly the 3 most prevalent, performance-blocking mistakes that countless men are unknowingly making. Mistakes that actively inhibit their natural potency and which this very massage technique is explicitly designed to efficiently and organically reverse. The third critical mistake is the consistent ignoring of internal pelvic tension. It's an ignorance born of the fact that most men don't realize their deep pelvic floor muscles are chronically clenched due to unrelenting modern stress, long hours spent seated for work, or even the common habit of frequently suppressing or holding it in. This constant clenching causes these foundational muscles to stay in a lock-up state, which directly leads to compressed blood vessels, decreased nerve signaling, and critically, restricted circulation. This specific self-massage is a profound tool that physically helps release that hidden, long-standing tension, akin to unclogging an industrial knot that has been actively strangling your potential. The second devastating mistake is the almost singular reliance on temporary pharmaceutical assistance. While medication may indeed provide acute assistance in the heat of the moment, it crucially fails to address the foundational mechanical or neurological problem. These temporary aids force blood flow only in the short term, but they possess zero capacity to permanently restore flexibility to your vessel walls or rebuild the genuine functional strength and sensation in your tired nerves. This is exactly why many men observe the beneficial effects eventually diminishing over time. In stark necessary contrast, this natural self-massage technique consistently works to retrain and heal your body at a deeper level, building real, measurable, and significantly lasting improvements. The first and most debilitating mistake that halts all forward progress is the deeply rooted belief that one's age automatically signifies a permanent decline. The biggest mistake is simply surrendering all hope. I can't tell you the countless number of men in their 60s and 70s I've had the immense privilege of treating who honestly thought their chance at full intimate vitality was permanently over until we successfully and naturally restored consistent blood flow and clear sensory awareness. Within a period of mere weeks, their total confidence and deeply personal intimacy were undeniably back. The unwavering truth, gentlemen, is that you are not too old for this to work. Now let's turn our attention to the immediate essential practice. I will clearly and carefully guide you through exactly how you should perform this restorative 1 minute a day practice. Step 1 is successfully finding the right spot. The specific anatomical location is medically referred to as the perineum. To locate it, simply find the soft spot situated right between your scrotum and your anus. In the direct center of this space, you will find an area that feels distinctively softer and slightly more yielding. Do not be concerned if you encounter a moment of very mild tenderness when you gently probe it. This small sensation is typically confirmation that you have found the precise and potent center of the spot. Step 2 involves achieving a comfortable position. For the greatest ease and access, you should sit securely on the front edge of a sturdy chair or simply lie down comfortably on your back with your knees slightly bent up. The overarching goal is to create completely easy, strain-free access for your working hand. Step 3 calls for gentle but committed pressure. Use both your index and middle fingers together, pressing down with a careful, measured firmness. Think of the exact pressure you would apply to perfectly check a piece of ripe fruit. Firm enough to understand the texture, but definitely not so hard as to cause sharp pain or risk bruising. Step 4 is the core 60-second massage. You will dedicate just 60 seconds to this practice, focusing on 2 approaches. You can try a sequence of small, controlled circular motions, 30 seconds turning consistently clockwise, then smoothly switch to 30 seconds counterclockwise. Alternatively, a technique of 5 seconds of firm, steady pressing, followed by 5 seconds of total, easy release, or even simple up and down gentle pulses will all work wonderfully. Step 5. The secret to supercharging the results is using the right oil. You can dramatically enhance the circulation and healing benefits of the massage by gently introducing a natural oil. Castor oil is incredibly deep penetrating, highly effective for reducing internal inflammation, and known for significantly improving deep circulation. Coconut oil serves as an all-around superb soothing base that also offers valuable antibacterial properties. Additionally, many practitioners specifically utilize black seed oil, a true powerhouse renowned in Middle Eastern medicine for boosting natural vitality and supporting hormones. Crucially, always remember to comfortably warm your chosen oil between your palms before any application. And applying cold oil to such a sensitive area is absolutely an unpleasant experience. Step 6 focuses on consistency and optimal timing. The essential golden rule remains: perform this targeted treatment just once every single day. The 2 most recommended windows are either in the morning, a time when your natural hormones, like testosterone, are typically at their peak, or in the evening, a wonderful time to promote full relaxation, which improves nighttime blood flow and stronger morning erections. Always embrace this fundamental principle. Absolute consistency inherently defeats intensity. 1 devoted minute, performed without fail every day, is exponentially more beneficial than an exhausting 10 minutes performed randomly once every other week. I fully recognize that for some of you watching, even hearing this discussion or considering this specific self-care practice may feel new, unfamiliar, or possibly awkward. Perhaps you've genuinely never paid focused attention to this vital area of your body before, and a voice in your mind is wondering, is this practice actually legitimate and truly for me? Please allow me to immediately put your every concern to rest. Absolutely, unequivocally, and permanently, yes, this is for you. This essential path to restoring function is neither strange nor is it in any way shameful. This is simply about thoughtfully reclaiming your bodily function, fundamental dignity, and your rightful intimate freedom. I vividly recall the case of one particular 52-year-old gentleman from my clinic who confessed that he had emotionally given up entirely on his intimate life, passively accepting poor performance as his fixed reality. After he committed to just 3 consistent weeks of this 1-minute practice, his primary function visibly improved, but he also noticed completely unexpected, profound side effects. Nagging hip pain vanished, his overall bladder control became much firmer, and most importantly, he simply felt fundamentally like himself again, younger, stronger, and more whole. That, gentlemen, is the ultimate meaning of this entire practice. It is not merely about achieving a temporary metric, but about fundamentally and permanently increasing your complete quality of life, energy, and robust health. The final, life-affirming takeaway is clear and actionable. Commit to consistently massaging this specific spot for just 60 seconds a day. Use quality, supportive natural oils to dramatically boost the healing effect, and commit to the process for 4 to 6 weeks. You will, without a doubt, begin to notice the positive, sustained changes that temporary pharmaceuticals alone could never truly deliver. Do not ever allow a number on a calendar to definitively define your power, vitality, or inner strength. A small, simple, committed action taken today holds the undeniable power to restore not only the physical function of your body, but perhaps most critically, your core confidence and vital, strong connection with the people you cherish the most. If this message has successfully provided you with a clear sense of possibility and renewed hope, please smash that like button now. It's the easiest way to help ensure this crucial information reaches more good men who truly need to hear it. Commit to our powerful community and subscribe immediately, as we are quickly building a brotherhood of men who fundamentally refuse to surrender their health and internal power as they gracefully age. Finally, share with me in the comments section below what is one small, targeted change you are going to commit to making for your own well-being starting this week. This is Dr. Mary Mum reminding you that you are absolutely not broken, you are decisively not too old, and you possess the absolute potential to feel incredibly alive again. Take one small dedicated step today, and your grateful, confident future self will wholeheartedly thank you for it.